Hello YouTube. It is a nice time of day. The sun is shining and everything like that. That's why it's so white behind me. It only calms down a little bit when I back up. But today I wanted to record me being in Zoom class, like not my Zoom class, cause y'all not my Zoom class, but like me in classes and everything I want to be doing today about school, cause just cause it might be interesting. I'm a senior with like almost all AP classes. I'll explain them more after this class that I'm currently supposed to be in. But like I'm a senior taking all AP classes, and kind of just like rolled up out of bed and hopped on. So like I guess I just wanted to take you through that with me. I guess like I'll explain my schedule and my and everything I do in school later. But let me log it. Oh, well, I still have a minute before I have to get in, so I'm not gonna join yet. But yeah, so I guess I can still explain. We start school at 8, and we usually end at 2:20. I have 7 classes, but I usually take. Well, I only go to Zoom class for 5 of them, and then one is asynchronous, which means I don't have to be in a Zoom class to. I don't have to sit in Zoom to do the work. We can just do it on our own and turn it in. And then the other one, I only have it on Thursdays, so mostly just 5 classes. Now I have to join.
You don't have a genre that you want to read more of? No, that is one that I want to read
Let me turn them down. So right now I'm in my AP Literature and Composition class. Basically, we just read stories and analyze it and stuff like that. Before this, I had my AP Calc class. It was 50 minutes. This class was 45 minutes. After this class, I have AP US Government, which is it's just another class. It's kind of easy, not the test part, but doing the work in class. It's just about following the instructions. And then after that, I have about 2 hours of free time because I have good grades and I don't skip classes. I think that's what they said, that we into a new semester, right? And they changed stuff up for the new semester. They before we had ACT class, like to get our scores up and to practice English and math and reading and science and stuff like that. But now that we're all seniors and we have like the scores we need to get into college and stuff, they're not worried about teaching us ACT stuff. So we don't have that class anymore. And instead we have an hour-long study hall. And then this semester we started like health and fitness class, which is my asynchronous class. So that hour-long class, that 45-minute health class that I don't have to be in Zoom for, plus a 20-minute lunch break, which is not long enough. Plus all that is like 2 hours. I don't have to be in school from 10 to 12, stuff like that. So yeah. And then after that, I have AP Bio and AP Research, which is I know what biology is. And then in the research class, I have to we gotta write this big up paper about our own research experiment or something like that. So yeah, that's all of my that's my whole class schedule. If I don't know, they look frozen. Okay. Anyway, that's my whole class schedule. If anything happens in the class, that's when I'll record some more. But I don't think anything else will happen. I just log in. I guess I just start recording and say what's up every time I go to my next class or something like that. Oh wait, let me explain this. So what this is my blanket, and then on my head it's like this little tube type thing. Like I don't feel like taking it off. I don't know, but yeah. All right. So yeah, when I got up, I just brought my blanket to my desk with me, and I wrapped up in it. Right here are my knees and stuff. So But yeah, that's it. I'm about to start this AP Lit class right now. They're talking about books and 50 Shades and horror and I guess different types of books they like and stuff, so whatever. But yeah, let me see what you're talking about.
Participating in that. Mr. Puzo has calmed down. We're ready to start class. Good. Just a quick reminder, I saw the majority of people were entering class at 57. Please do try your best to come on time for especially our class in Lit. We really, as you know, go down to the minute because doing the reading that we need to analyze these texts means like doing a lot of like AP Lit pace reading in class and getting to that analysis too. So please make sure that you're prioritizing that in your breaks. And I'd like to see that. I'm going to hold you accountable tomorrow, making sure that everyone's on time. And just a reminder that attendance and tardies, that's all part of your grade, okay? It's part of your extra credit.
All right. I don't know if y'all can hear it. I don't know if you can hear it, but she talking about being 2 minutes late to class. Okay. My AP Lit class is finished. It is now 9:48, and I'm in my AP Government class. We started at, we supposed to come at 9:45. Let me mute him. We come at 9:45, and he's taking attendance right now, so we were kind of just sitting here chilling. Yesterday in class, we have a test coming up in this class, and yesterday we was doing some work on some last minute like Supreme Court cases, and we didn't finish. So then we had a poll to either finish that and then have small review talking about how this whole class be reviewed for the test we have coming up. And it was about 45, 55 between the vote, and most of them voted for a review. So that's what we about to do in this class. Okay, so update, I just finished my AP Government class. We got a whole bunch of homework from that class for our test tomorrow, a whole bunch of stuff to do. I got out at 10:35. It's 10:55 now, so it's been 20 minutes. I don't have to go back to school till 12:45. So I don't know, I'm about to eat and lay down. I just made myself some pancakes, and then I'm about to go upstairs to my room and do that. Maybe watch Netflix, read a book, probably end up going to sleep. But yeah, that's what I'm about to do. Okay, so kind of did a bad thing. After my break was over, I had 2 more classes, and I didn't go. But yeah, I didn't go to those classes. So that's it. We didn't. I guess I just have to see whatever we did in bio. But then in research, it was just independent work. It was work we would have been doing on our own anyway. We didn't need to talk to the teacher, so I can just do that now for like some homework or stuff. Right now it is 2:20. My classes are over, so that's what I have stuff to do. I had a math test yesterday that I didn't finish. My math teacher said come to the Zoom room, but I'm sitting here waiting. He hadn't even started the meeting, so if he doesn't show up, I'm gonna go to another teacher's Zoom room. I'm gonna go to my AP Government teacher's Zoom room because he was doing like an office hours study thing to help us finish some of the work we gotta do for his class for all the homework we gotta do for his class for our test. So another 5 minutes, and if he says start this meeting, I'm about to be heading over to AP Gov, and he's doing that till 3:30, so that's another hour. And then after that, I got some reading to do for my ELA, my AP Lang class. We reading Song of Solomon, and then let me see. I just finished my calc test, but if you don't start, that's it. Reading for AP Lang, all the homework for Gov, do AP Research, research my stuff for fitness and health, do my stuff for fitness and health, and I don't know, check the AP Bio stuff maybe. But yeah, so now I'm just kind of sitting here waiting. I think I gotta get down. So school is over. I'm in my bathroom right now because I was getting dressed. I'm about to walk to a gas station near me because I'm starving, and we kind of running on like oatmeal and pancakes. cupcakes and like small snacks and stuff. We have to go grocery shopping, but it's $3.50. I ended my meeting with my government teacher. I ended my meeting with my government teacher like 20 minutes ago. He's honestly just my favorite teacher. He is so funny, and he teaches well too, but he's also really funny. But yeah, school's out. I'm about to walk to the gas station. I'm about to give me some a big bag of Doritos and some cheese dip, maybe some gummy lifesavers. I don't know, whatever I feel like eating, and then after that I have to come do all his work. Well, I already said earlier everything that I have to do in class for school, and then I don't know what I'm doing after that, but I guess we'll see.